What's up guys, when your windscreen wipers are not clearing the screen properly, most likely your wipers are worn out. Normally it's the rubber blade that comes off. This is due to using the wiper on probably iced up windscreens, which damages the blade. Now these wipers are hook type. To replace them you will need two different sizes, the 20-inch for the driver side and the 15-inch for the passenger side. Size difference may reflect upon the car you're driving. Right, let's go ahead and install the driver side wiper. Remove the seal cover. Stand up the hook so it's facing towards you like this. Place the wiper inside the left slot. Hold on to the plastic lock if you wish. Bring it all the way down like this. Move the wiper towards the left. And now bring it back up. Turn to the right until you may hear a few clicks to lock it, and you're done. Make sure that everything is secured. I'll show you once again. Place it through the left slot. Bring it down, move it to the left and bring it back up. Now turn the wiper to the right to lock and secure. To take it off, there may be a little lever to push down. Bring the wiper down, turn it towards the right and lift up. A simple procedure on how to remove and install your hook type window wiper blades. Window wipers normally cost from £10 depending upon the brand of wipers and the make of your car. Once it's all installed, enjoy getting back on the road with a clear windscreen. See you guys in the next one. Peace.